Okay, so it's cold today and it's windy, and what we're going to be looking at is shooting in the wind. Now you can see maybe from those dock leaves and the grass that it is windy, and if I try and aim at this drop down target on the end, I might not hit it because the wind, which is blowing left to right on the screen, might move it like that. Alright, so what you might want to do is you might want to know a little bit more about where it is exactly what exactly you're working with. So what I would ordinarily do is I would get a target like this and I would shoot at it, and I would see that it's gone a little bit to the side. Then what I do is I can see that the little impact corresponds with the rightmost axis line. So I know that if I aim that on the target, I can hit it. So what that means is, all that happens is that becomes my 0 point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up, and I should be able to get it pretty much within the bullseye. There you go. So that's all you need to do when taking into account wind. It will vary obviously slightly if I zoom out, because the perspective changes. So it's 1, 2, 3, so it will be about 3, I would imagine, if I zoom out properly. Oh, missed. Yeah, sorry, I was aiming a little bit too low before. But that is how you shoot in the wind. So I'll show you one more time. Again, the wind is going from left to right, and I have the y-axis in line with the bullseye, and you can see that both of those impacts are exactly the same distance away from where I was aiming for. So you know that if you zoom in, you can line up wherever it is on your crosshair with whatever it is you're shooting for. So I can then that was a flyer. Well, it might be because the wind got up. I don't know. But anyway, that is how I shoot in windier conditions. I would never ordinarily shoot targety things in windy conditions like this. It would just be like flippy targets and maybe the spinny ducks as well. There you go.